Are you searching for an easy way to get Amazon gift cards for free? Look no further than Inject Cloud, a platform that brings together a massive database of gift cards collected from public sources, such as Pastebin. But what sets it apart? It organizes these cards into one centralized database, making it easier than ever for users to claim them. The only requirement: complete a simple survey or offer. Don't wait, visit Inject Cloud today to start exploring their treasure trove of free gift cards and unlock amazing rewards effortlessly. The surveys are user-friendly, often free, and only take a few minutes to complete. By participating, you not only unlock access to gift cards but also get the chance to win additional perks. Imagine earning valuable rewards while answering a few quick questions or exploring new services. It's a win-win. The process is straightforward. Navigate to the Amazon gift card section on the platform, select a survey, and start providing basic details. For instance, you might be asked about your preferences or interests, and in return, you gain access to their exclusive database. This system ensures fairness while maintaining simplicity. Each survey is carefully chosen to provide genuine value, making it a win-win experience. With just a few clicks, you can start unlocking rewards. Plus, clear instructions make completing surveys effortless, even for beginners. What makes these surveys even more appealing is the variety of rewards they offer. Besides Amazon gift cards, you may unlock discounts, free trials, or other exciting bonuses. It's a platform designed to give back to users for their time and input. For example, imagine opening a survey that asks about your shopping habits. Once completed, you could immediately receive an Amazon gift card code to use on your next purchase. It's this efficiency that keeps users coming back to Inject Cloud. By streamlining the process, Inject Cloud ensures a hassle-free experience. Instead of searching countless forums or websites, everything you need is in one place. Whether you're a regular gift card seeker or new to the concept, the platform is intuitive and accessible for all. The offers aren't limited to one type, either. Surveys range in complexity and reward size, allowing you to choose what fits your needs. Some may even introduce you to new products or services, making the experience as rewarding as the gift cards themselves. At Inject Cloud, your time is valued. By completing these small tasks, you're part of a community that thrives on mutual benefit. The platform continuously updates its database, so you always have fresh opportunities to earn. Furthermore, users benefit from clear instructions and guidance, ensuring the process is smooth from start to finish. With a variety of rewards to choose from, there's something for everyone. It's a platform designed for convenience, trust, and satisfaction. So, why wait? Dive into the world of free rewards, select a survey, and see just how easy it is to unlock your next Amazon gift card. Inject Cloud isn't just a website, it's a gateway to simple, rewarding experiences. Visit www.inject.cloud today and take the first step towards claiming your free gift cards.